Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand with these ratings. Come test drive the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.